In this OrCAD X video, we'll explore how users can view the live BOM for not only the core design, but also for design variants. This feature allows users to review supply chain information and assess the overall health of the BOM efficiency. We'll launch Part Manager to review the design variants. The two associated variants are Variant 1 and Variant 2. The key difference between these two is that Variant 1 does not include the onboard linear charger circuit. As a result, 8 components are excluded from this BOM variant. These components will be marked with a cross in the Part Manager, indicating a Do Not Stuff status. On the other hand, Variant 2 includes these 8 components. Additionally, components R9, R10, and C19 will feature a checkmark, signifying they differ from the core design in terms of device ratings and manufacturer part numbers. Let's switch back to the schematic and view it in variant mode. To do this, go to the View toolbar, select Variant View Mode, and choose Variant 1 from the dialog. The schematic will update to reflect Variant 1, displaying the linear charger section with a Do Not Stuff label for all 8 components. To launch Live BOM, go to the Toolbar menu, select Tools, Live BOM. By default, Live BOM opens for the core design, and in this case displays a total of 60 components. Use the top right drop-down menu to select Variant 1 and view its live BOM. After selecting, the component count decreases to 52 due to the absence of 8 components. Additionally, take note of the values, part numbers, and associated MPNs of components R9, R10, and C19 in this variant. From the drop-down menu, select Variant 2. The total component count will increase to 60, reflecting the inclusion of the linear charger section. Upon reviewing the values, part numbers, and associated MPNs for components R9, R10, and C16, you will observe different values for this variant. Next, return to the schematic and view it in variant mode for Variant 2. Here as well, these components will display different values. To check the BOM health for each variant, return to the Live BOM view and click on the Dashboard View icon. Then, select the desired variant to review its overall BOM health. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below.